Standing in New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty rises from a star-shaped granite foundation on Liberty Island, built atop Old Fort Wood. Dedicated in 1886, the statue was a gift from France to the United States, celebrating liberty and the friendship formed after the American Revolution. It was designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, while the internal iron framework was engineered by Gustave Eiffel. From ground to torch, Lady Liberty stands 305 feet tall. Her outer skin is made of thin copper sheets which oxidized over time to form the iconic green patina. Inside, a steel skeleton supports a spiral staircase leading to the crown, once open to visitors, offering views through 25 windows symbolizing gemstones of the world. At her feet lie broken chains, a powerful detail often overlooked, representing freedom from oppression. The statue symbolizes liberty, democracy, and hope, especially for immigrants who arrived at nearby Ellis Island seeking new lives. Yet mysteries linger. Some conspiracy theories claim the statue's face was modeled after Bartholdi's mother, while others suggest hidden Masonic symbols in its design or secret chambers beneath the island used for wartime surveillance. Though unproven, these theories add to her myth. Rising from Liberty Island in Upper New York Bay, the Statue of Liberty stands at the geographic gateway between Manhattan, New Jersey, and the Atlantic world. Strategically positioned in New York Harbor, she has watched over one of the busiest ports on Earth for more than a century. The statue was officially inaugurated on October 28, 1886, during a massive public ceremony attended by President Grover Cleveland, marking a powerful political statement of democracy and freedom. Though owned by the federal government, the statue is maintained by the National Park Service, with constant restoration efforts to protect her copper skin, steel structure, and crown from weather and corrosion. Today, the Statue of Liberty is one of the world's most visited landmarks, attracting thousands of tourists every day who arrive by ferry to explore the pedestal, museum, and island. She became the symbol of New York City because she was the first sight seen by millions of immigrants entering America. More than a monument, Lady Liberty represents arrival, opportunity, and the promise that New York offers the world: freedom, diversity, and hope.